Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, here is that tin litho car that was so badly dented. And I didn't put a whole lot of energy into it. I just wanted to do a video on getting the dent out. And I just took it and lightly misted it with some black textured paint. And as you can see, while it's not perfect, it is now a usable tin litho car, when before it was just junk in the junk box. So I put this on a consist just so you can see it running. So far from perfect, but it's up and it's running and it's presentable, which is the interesting thing about doing this. So you can go from a really badly dented tin litho car to a usable car in just a matter of a few minutes. Is it perfect? No, it isn't. But it is usable. And if you actually spent some time with this and you tapped this dent out above flush and then sanded it and primered it and painted it, you would have an invisible repair. But in this case, as you see, you can look straight down the edge of this and you cannot see that dent. And that dent was right there, and it almost punctured the steel, so it was quite deep. And like I said, it's not perfect, but it is a usable car now. And you can do a lot. It just really depends on how much energy you're willing to put into repairing tin litho. This was just a few minutes just to demonstrate how to get those dents out of there. And then a light misting of some textured paint, and you at least have a usable car, where before I had just a piece of junk in the bottom of the junk box. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.